Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I will be showing you how to find proven keywords for your title and your tags for your Etsy listing. This isn't the only way to do it, but this is the way that I've had the most success with. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer and we will get started. My favorite place to do my keyword research is on the Etsy marketplace. So in the search bar where it says search for anything, I'll click on the search bar here and then it will say popular right now, and they'll have a list of different keywords that you could possibly use for your title and your tags. And this always updates and changes from time to time, so it's a good idea to always check back here. And another great tip for doing this technique is it's a great way to find new keyword ideas and possibly new design ideas for things that are currently trending on the Etsy marketplace. The next thing that I do is I search a general keyword in the niche that I'm designing in. So for this example, I will do fall sweatshirts. What I like to do is I slowly type my keyword fall sweatshirt. So I'll do fall, and then I'll let these keywords autofill here to get some ideas. So we have fall sweatshirt, and possibly some other ideas will pop up, fall shirts, depending on the keyword that you're using. And then after doing that for a few different keywords, so like fall sweatshirt, autumn sweatshirt, or whatever it is to pull some ideas, I will then do the ABCs for keywords. So I'll do fall again, that's my main target keyword, and then I'll go through the ABCs as far as I want. So I'll do fall, and then I'll type in A, and see what it autofills, possibly get some new ideas here. So we have fall and pumpkins shirt, that's something that you could do, and maybe be creative with some of these other keywords. We'll go to B. So we have fall baby girl outfit, there's an idea for you. And then we'll go to C, see if there's any fall crew neck, so that's a good one. Fall clothing is a good one. We'll go to D. And I'll just do the same process through the entire alphabet until I find a handful of good keywords that are possibly trending on the Etsy marketplace currently. After I go through the ABCs for keywords, I will then again search my main target keyword that I want to focus on. So I'll do fall sweatshirt. And then what I like to do is look at the listings that are ranking well on the first page. They're ranking on the first page, one, because they're selling well, so they're converting well. Two, most likely is because their SEO is really good. I will ignore the rows that say add by. It means they're paying to show up on the first few pages, so ignore those. They're not necessarily ranking for their SEO. And then I'll scroll down to the next row where they're not paying for ads. And then what I like to do is click on some of these different listings to get some new keyword ideas. So I'll go ahead and click on this one here. And to be very clear, never copy paste another seller's title. This is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is click through these different listings and look at their titles, and possibly you'll get some new keyword ideas in order to construct your own title and tags. So we have cute fall sweatshirt, Halloween sweatshirt, funny fall sweatshirt. Those are all great keywords that we could possibly include for our title and our tags for our new fall listing. And I'll go back here and I'll click on another listing that's ranking well. So we have farm fresh autumn harvest crewneck or tee, really long keyword, but possibly you could just do farm fresh autumn crewneck or whatever it is that you're selling. So then we have fall t-shirts, fall crewnecks, fall outfits, fall shirts. Those are really broad keywords, but you could niche down on them and make them more specific and targeted to create a really good keyword that could perform well for you. So I'll do that for a few listings with that specific keyword, then I'll go and search a different keyword. So I'll do Halloween sweatshirt. So again, ignore the row that says add by, and we'll go to the one where these listings are ranking. So we'll click on this one here. We have fall shirt, dancing skeleton shirt, happy Halloween t-shirt, Halloween tea sweatshirt, Halloween costume shirt, women's Halloween shirt gift. So all great keywords that you could possibly incorporate in your title. Just take a few of these that will target your specific design and then include that in your title and your tags. Again, never copying and pasting this title word for word, just pulling a few keywords from several different listings. So I like to do that for several different keywords and then looking through several different listings to get some keyword ideas, because you know the listings that are ranking on the first few pages are most likely converting and doing really well currently on Etsy. And then the next thing that you want to do is just think like a buyer. What keyword would a customer use to find your specific design that you're selling? So if you're selling a pumpkin sweatshirt, what keyword would a customer use to find that specific design? So if I were a customer, I would search cute pumpkin sweatshirt. And I just think of several more keywords. If I were a buyer, what would I use to search? And on top of that, you can search those keywords that you think a buyer would use and then do the exact same process, looking through these listings that are ranking well on the first few pages and possibly getting some inspiration and ideas from their title, pulling keywords from their title, never copy pasting their entire title. You don't need to overcomplicate SEO. All you need to do is make sure you have targeted keywords for your title and your tags and that you are thinking like a buyer. What you're wanting to do is just connect the buyer with your listing listing, and you do that by using really good proven targeted SEO. Now that I've shown you a few different ways to find proven keywords for your titles and your tags, I want to show you how I build out my SEO on my listing. So this is just as if you were going to push a product from Printful. I'm in the stages of adding my title, my description, my tags. So what I'll do is I'll go through those tips that I shared with you, and then I will construct my own title, plugging those keywords into my title. I do suggest using all characters that Etsy allows you for your title because it will give you more opportunities to be found. The way that I like to break up my title is by a comma and then a space. There's several different ways to do it, and I'm sure you've seen it from different Etsy sellers, but the way that I've had the most success and the way that I personally like to do it is this way right here, having the keyword, the comma, space, and then my next keyword. Something you want to remember though is having your most important targeted keywords at the beginning of your title and your tags, because Etsy says the first few words of listing titles have a particularly strong influence on Etsy search. So for whatever keyword I'm trying to target, if it's a fall sweatshirt or a cute fall sweatshirt, I want to make sure that's at the very beginning of my title and the very beginning of my tags. So I'll go ahead and I'll build out my title here, plugging in all my different keywords. Remember, just thinking like a buyer, what would a buyer use to search my specific product? And then I like to copy paste my title into my tags. So I just take my title here and I will copy it and then paste that into my tags. Remember, you can have a total of 13 tags, and I highly suggest using all 13 tags. And now we'll see what keywords from our title were pushed to our tags, because if they're too long, they won't copy to your tags, so you will need to break them up. So we have fall sweatshirt, we have pumpkin sweater, we don't have cute sweatshirt for fall here, so I want to add that. So I will do cute sweatshirt, and then I'll hit enter and I'll break it up by doing for fall as a separate tag. So that way it will be read as cute sweatshirt for fall, almost as one keyword, but this is a way to break it up and still include that keyword in your tags. Then we have gift for friend, fall crew neck, fall outfit. We have pumpkin shirt, good. Pumpkin patch outfit. So we do need a few more keywords since we only have 9 keywords here currently. So I'll just go and repeat that same process of searching specific keywords, seeing what listings rank on the first few pages, and then pulling keywords from those different listings, as well as thinking like a buyer, what would a buyer use to search my specific product. Once you have all 13 tags, you continue on and push this product through to your Etsy store. If you want to know how to price products on Etsy, watch this video right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.